Hello everyone, this is Shivan Madi. Welcome back to my channel Local English. In this video today, actually I have no topic, but I have important information for all of you. That important information is like this. Actually, after few days, I have planned to make vlog videos, and it is completely about me, guys. What actually I am going to do, and wherever I am going, it's about me. It means what actually happens in the general life, in the daily life. About this I will upload in my channel. So guys, who has not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe this channel so that you will get much more important information. And if you are keen interest to learn this language, so guys, definitely you have to subscribe my channel. Through this channel you will get to many more important information and many more different kind of video which you will get so much knowledge. And in this moment I am here, but I actually my intention is not like that. It means I have a vast knowledge. I have a eagerness of vast knowledge of English, not like that. I don't think so. Actually I think I have whatever I have knowledge and whatever I have experience of English learning, I will share you through this my channel. So if you are keen interest to learn this language, so guys, whatever the mindset you have, like the using of grammar rules, avoid that thing. Avoid. If you are not avoiding, still you are using the grammar rule to speak, so guys, you will not be perfect to speak and to speak this language. So guys, whatever the mindset you have throughout the using of grammar rule, without grammar rule, you just try to speak and nothing else. Guys, just think of yourself when you were in child. At that time, have you ever learned? Have you ever learned grammar? No, not at all. You have not learned the grammar. Without grammar, you just spoke like this over here also. If you learn this language, so avoid the grammar. Without using grammar rules, you just try to speak and nothing else. And in this video, I would like to share the most interestingly thing, what is actually the using of general sentences in daily lives, whatever. I will share in this channel. Through this channel you will get to know the various kind of things. So guys, if you are not subscribed my channel, you, if you have not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe this channel and stay connected with this channel. So guys, definitely, no doubt, you can speak confidently this language. So guys, this is the most important information from my side. So guys, please subscribe my channel, and whatever I have uploaded the video in my channel, so please watch all this video so that you will get to know how you can speak this language, how you can speak confidently, and what is the exact thing, what is the exact thing to learn this language. So please subscribe my channel and stay connected with this channel. So thank you so much.